Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the MS Gaming Overlay pop-up message on Windows 11. This issue is usually related to Xbox game bar settings stored in the Windows Registry. Follow the steps carefully, and you should be able to get rid of the error message. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and type Registry Editor. Click on Registry Editor to open it. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. In Registry Editor, expand the following folders one by one: HKEY, Current User, Expand Software, Expand Microsoft, Expand Windows, Expand Current Version. Now locate and click on Gain DVR. You do not need to expand the folder, just select it. On the right side, look for the entry called App Capture Enabled, double-click it. Under Value Data, change the value from 1 to 0. Then click OK. If you do not see App Capture Enabled on the right side, right-click in an empty area. Select New DWORD, 32-bit value. Name it App Capture Enabled. Press Enter. Now double-click the new value. Set the value data to 0, then click OK. Close Registry Editor. You can now restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect.